Hello friends, today I want to discuss about message authentications using hash functions. Our group members are Anjaniya Prasad Ravi, Sayan Shahu and Harsha Thadikundla. So what we did our project? We focus the paper is on the hash functions. There are some basic information about this type of hashing function will be reviewed. Then their advantages and problems will be covered. After that, comparison and several symmetric algorithms are discussed. These algorithms are based on MD5, SHA, UMAC, HMAC and NMAC. Now at first we want to learn what is hash function. Why we use the hash function? A hash function is any functions that can be used to map data of arbitrary size to data of a fixed size. The values written by a hash functions are called hash values, hash code, hash sum or simply hashes. We use hash function for message authentications. We discuss about MD5. MD5 is the message digest algorithm, is a widely used cryptographic hash function producing a 128-bit hash value, typically expressed in the text format as a 32-bit hexadecimal number. MD5 has been utilized in a wide variety of cryptographic applications, and it is also commonly used to verify the data integrity. Now what is SHA? In cryptography, SHA is the secure hash algorithm, is a cryptographic hash function designed by the United States National Security Agency and is a US Federal Information Processing Standard published by the United States NIST. Cryptographic hash functions are mathematical operations run on the digital data by comparing the computed hash to known and expected hash value. A person can determine the data integrity. Now our group member discussed another procedure of hash.
Hi friends. As my friend previously told about the hashing function, it is only the function which it is only used for key encryption securing. Like it produces a hashing function for each of the message. Like in the sense, a message and a key is security key is present by which hashing function is generated. This hashing function has to be like at the both ends. But the main problem is that it is easy to implement in one way, but the other way it's really difficult. Like for the decryption purpose, it's very difficult to get the plain text back. And by using these hash functions, there are mostly two algorithms used. They are MD5 and SHA. Most popular algorithms. Firstly, MD5. MD5 has 126 bits, but it is easy to implement. And and it is easy to implement and having a reasonably secure pattern and easy and standard way of approach. But the main problem is that it has more number of collisions since the size of it is more than what is expected. So the collisions occur more frequently in it. So it is not that efficient algorithm. Next, coming to SHA, it is a standard algorithm which is used. It is a standard algorithm. It is also secondly it is a standard algorithm which it is also based on hash function. But in this the hash function it is fast and it is fast, but the security issues have more reliable on it. So it does not show that much efficient way in the security issues. But as long as we go to the next later versions, the speed goes on reducing since as we increase the security levels and we put the limitation to the speed. So the speed comes on decreasing. So we go to the next algorithms, next proposed algorithms like UMAC, which is Universal Message Authentication Code, HMAC, and here we go. So these two algorithms are mainly these two algorithms are lately proposed, and the HMAC is the hashing function. Like the most efficient way of algorithm is universal MAC. It is also called as fast and secure message authentication code, since it is reliable, like it is fast in transmission and easy to compute, so it is more applicable in all the ways. And HMAC, coming to HMAC is also an algorithm which is proposed before UMAC, but the problem is that the key encryption standards of HMAC, HMAC is limited to the size, but whereas in UMAC the size, time and throughput is really good. In comparison of these both HMAC and UMAC comparatively, like leaving the later versions, since they are having the drawbacks in security and the computation delay, we propose this. Like see here, we can look at the graph for UMAC and HMAC. See here, the bits are belonging to them. The throughput of the HMAC is less, and whereas the UMAC have both the efficiency performance is high, irrespective of the size of the message. So we can clearly see that the efficiency and throughput of the UMAC is more than HMAC. And here we can see some of the here we can see some of the PCs on which these are implemented, UMAC and HMAC. Comparing to these all algorithms work on Pentium, Power PC and Alpha computers, and all have different time based executions. Like it has been reduced, like UMAC. Using UMAC and HMAC algorithms, the time has been reduced eventually, so it takes less time to compute everything. And later it comes to the performance of each and every, comparing each algorithm with every algorithms. Here we can see that the most efficient way is most efficiently the HMAC and SHA algorithms. The HMAC and UMAC are mostly used. And conclusion, coming to the conclusion, comparably we have all the issues of later algorithms, MD5 and SHA, and since these have some security issues, and also the processing computing time is less, we need to take back we need to implement new algorithms. The new algorithms such as nested message authentication protocol and message authentication code and hashing function are also having reasonably strong, reasonably efficient algorithms for this process. Lately we used UMAC, which is fast and secure, which is overcoming all the properties of all the drawbacks of the previous versions. So I think so it is the best UMAC. So it is the best algorithm which is used lately. So my conclusion is that using UMAC we can safe efficiently send a message to the message very efficient way, in very secure manner, and it is also easy to implement. And my friend Harsha is gonna continue. Thank you.
Conclusion. As discussed in the previous slides, from MD5 SHA algorithm, it is a standard approach and easy to implement, but have security issue. So the latest algorithm NMAC HMAC used to overcome the security issue. Providing the security kept the limitations to the above algorithm like size and speed. So another algorithm is used, which is UMAC, which has the properties of authentication of message first and secure. MD5 and SHA have collision issues, which have more than 50% of getting collision in less time, that is 18 hours, and The latest algorithm UMAC and HMAC have probability of collision 50%. It is one of the main reason why this algorithm is used.